What the world needs right now, and I mean right now more than ever, is salvation. The question remains to be answered: who can save humanity from itself? I have one candidate in mind, a candidate that can challenge all the one-way communication. I'm gonna let the music be my language. Listen. Is my language. If we all get up and dance like a wise man said it once, give peace a chance, do the right thing and stop doing all that damage. If you listen when I speak, I guarantee we hit the peak. I'll tell you why. Cause music is my language.